Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a software update on your computer using a software called CCleaner. Now it's very important for you to conduct regular software updates, as this will keep your computer running in optimum. Now guys, there are a few releases on the CCleaner software, different versions and different editions. The free version does not have this feature or other features on the CCleaner, but this paid version of the CCleaner Professional Edition has numerous features. As you can see, health check, cleanup, performance optimizer, driver update, tools. But I'm not going to be showing you that today. I'm going to be showing you how to do a software update using this tool, using this software. So we're going to click on software updater on the left hand side, and as you can see, it's now scanning my computer, scanning all of my software on my computer to tell me what is outdated and what needs updating. So we're going to give this some time. This may take a while depending on the speed of your computer, depending on how much of software you have loaded on. But the software will definitely find it and it will tell us what needs updating. Now I've been using CCleaner for quite some time, and I find that software update feature to be very useful, and it definitely keeps your computer software updated to the latest technology. So as you can see, we are getting some progress, although it's a bit slow. We're now on 10%. It's now loading 16%. So just give this some time, guys. Be patient with it. I'll advise you to only keep this window open and running when you using this software updater method using CCleaner. Don't have too many windows open, as this will slow down your computer even further. So allow this to run. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, guys, it's still loading. We are giving it some time so that it can load. Alright, so now the scan has been complete, guys. The results are ready. As you can see, the software is telling me that I need to update one software. Ensure that there's a tick in the box next to the software you want to be updated, and you're going to say update selected. Now this also may take a while. I only have one software that is outdated, and I'm going to be updating that. However, you may find that you have numerous after running this program. So please be patient with this process. Also, my advice is keep this window open only. Don't have too many windows open. That's going to slow down your computer. So allow this to run, and we're going to wait for the completion of this. And as you can see, guys, the software update is now complete. You're going to click OK, and now you can see there's no other updates available.